If YouTube is stuttering in Chrome, lagging during playback, or constantly freezing while the audio keeps going, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now to smooth out YouTube playback in Chrome. These methods are easy, free, and in many cases, they solve the problem without needing any advanced settings. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll begin with the simplest fix, restarting Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the current tab. Make sure the browser is fully shut down. Then open Chrome again and go back to YouTube. Try playing the same video that was stuttering before. Sometimes Chrome just gets overloaded with temporary glitches, and a fresh restart is enough to clear that up. This is a quick first step, and it fixes more playback issues than people expect. If the problem is still there, the next step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, then click Power and choose Restart. Give Windows a full reboot and let everything load back up properly. Restarting your computer can clear temporary memory issues, background conflicts, and system slowdowns that affect video playback. Once your PC is back on, open Chrome again and test YouTube one more time. If the stuttering was caused by a temporary performance problem, this may already fix it. Now, let's move on to clearing Chrome's cache, which is one of the most common solutions for YouTube lag. Open Chrome, then press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, select cached images and files, and also select cookies and other site data. For the time range, choose all time so everything relevant gets cleared out. Then click Delete Data. Corrupted or outdated cache files can cause YouTube to behave badly, including freezing, buffering, or stuttering during playback. After clearing the cache, reload YouTube and test another video. If YouTube still stutters, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration in Chrome. This setting can help in some cases, but on certain systems, it can actually cause playback problems. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the left menu, click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. After changing that setting, restart Chrome so the change takes effect. Then go back to YouTube and check whether the video plays more smoothly. This step is especially useful if your graphics driver or system configuration is causing conflicts. Next, we should check your Chrome extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, and video downloader extensions, can interfere with YouTube playback and make videos stutter or lag. To review them, click the three dots again. Go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. From here, temporarily disable the extensions you don't need. If you want to test more efficiently, turn them off one by one and reload YouTube after each change. That way you can identify whether a specific extension is causing the issue. If YouTube starts working properly after disabling one, you've found the problem. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable. Even if Chrome is working fine, a weak connection can still make YouTube appear choppy or freeze during playback. Check that your Wi-Fi signal is strong and that no large downloads are running in the background. Also make sure other devices on the same network are not using too much bandwidth, like streaming in 4K, downloading huge files, or uploading content. If possible, try moving closer to your router or temporarily switching to a wired connection for a more stable result. A slow or unstable connection can definitely cause the kind of lag and stuttering you're seeing. So to recap, the best fixes to try are restarting Chrome, restarting your computer, clearing Chrome cache, disabling hardware acceleration, checking extensions, and making sure your internet is stable. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get YouTube running smoothly again in Chrome. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.